Have you ever looked at Saturn and wondered how something so beautiful could exist in the cold darkness of space? Those glowing rings, perfectly wrapped around the planet. Almost unreal. But here's the shocking truth. Saturn's rings are slowly disappearing, and one day, they may be gone forever. So what's really happening? To understand that, we first need to understand what Saturn's rings actually are. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are not giant metal hoops floating in space. They are made of billions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. Some are as small as dust particles. Others are as large as houses. All of them orbit Saturn at incredible speeds. Scientists believe these rings may have formed when a moon or a massive comet came too close to Saturn. The planet's powerful gravity tore that object apart in a violent event. The debris spread out and began orbiting Saturn, forming the bright ring system we see today. But here's the twist. Those same gravitational forces that created the rings are now destroying them. Saturn's gravity is incredibly powerful. Over time, particles in the rings collide with each other. These collisions slowly reduce their speed. When they lose enough speed, they begin to spiral inward toward the planet. And once they cross a critical boundary, Saturn's gravity takes complete control. The particles fall straight into the planet. This process is called ring rain. It's not like rain on Earth. You won't see clouds or droplets. Instead, tiny icy particles become electrically charged by sunlight. Saturn's massive magnetic field then guides those charged particles down into the atmosphere. It's like invisible cosmic rain, and it's happening right now. NASA's Cassini spacecraft gave us the strongest proof of this phenomenon. In its final mission, Cassini performed something incredibly daring. It flew between Saturn and its rings, a region scientists once thought was too dangerous to enter. As it passed through this gap, Cassini measured streams of material falling from the rings into the planet. The results shocked scientists. Saturn is losing thousands of kilograms of ring material every single second. To put that into perspective, every second, Saturn loses enough material to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now imagine that happening every second for millions of years. At this rate, scientists estimate that Saturn's rings could largely disappear within the next 50 to 100 million years. That might sound like a long time, but Saturn is over 4.5 billion years old. In cosmic terms, 100 million years is just a blink of an eye. This means something incredible. We are living in a rare cosmic window. If intelligent life had existed 200 million years ago, they might not have seen Saturn with bright rings. And if intelligent life exists 200 million years from now, they may see Saturn without rings at all. Our generation is witnessing Saturn at a special moment in its history. But gravity isn't the only force involved. Solar radiation also plays a role. Sunlight interacts with the icy particles, altering their structure over time. Micrometeorite impacts constantly bombard the rings, breaking particles into smaller fragments. Little by little, the ring system loses mass, slowly thinning, slowly fading. One day, Saturn may look more like Jupiter, with faint debris clouds instead of brilliant glowing rings. The iconic image of Saturn that defines astronomy textbooks may become just a memory preserved in photographs and data archives. But here's another fascinating possibility. Some scientists believe Saturn's rings may not be permanent features at all. They may come and go in cycles lasting hundreds of millions of years. If another moon drifts too close to Saturn in the distant future and gets torn apart, a brand new ring system could form again. Creation, destruction, rebirth, a cosmic cycle playing out over immense timescales. This teaches us something powerful about the universe. Nothing is permanent. Stars are born and eventually die. Galaxies collide and reshape, planets evolve, and even the most breathtaking structures in our solar system slowly fade away. The universe is not static. It is dynamic, always changing, always moving. So the next time you see Saturn through a telescope or in a stunning space image, remember this: you are not just looking at a planet. You are witnessing a rare moment in cosmic history. A fleeting masterpiece. A beautiful structure that exists for only a tiny fraction of the planet's lifetime. And once it's gone, it may not return for millions of years. Enjoy this cosmic wonder while it lasts. You're watching Infinite Cosmos.